Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet. To know how to fix or how to solve your app of Google Meet, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Google Meet. We will search about it here in this list. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors in your app. And in the end, you can know how to fix your problem on Google Meet in this with these tips. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.